Hello grade 4 students, how are you all doing? I'll be using this video to solve a worksheet. So, follow me, and if you still have any questions about it, you all have my number, you can contact. Let me start with question number 1. Question number 1 represents 6 different animals, and we have to check the picture that represents an insect. As you all know, the insect's body is divided into 3 sections: a head, a thorax, and an abdomen, and insects have 6 legs connected to their thorax. Let's start with figure 1. In the first figure, we can see a praying mantis. The praying mantis's body is divided into a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. And let's count the legs of the praying mantis: 1, 2, 3. So it has 3 legs on each side, so 6 legs in total. So yes, the praying mantis is an insect. Look at the snail. The snail does not have 6 legs, so the snail is not an insect. The snail is an invertebrate, but not an insect. Look at the grasshopper. Head, thorax, and abdomen. 1, 2, 3 legs on each side, so it has 6 legs, so the grasshopper is an insect. The spider has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 legs. This means that the spider is not an insect. It is an invertebrate, but not an insect. What about ants? You know this, ants are insects, since as you can see, the ant has a head, thorax, and an abdomen, and it has 6 legs connected to its thorax. In the last figure, you can see a crab. Look at the crab. Does it have a head, a thorax, and an abdomen? No, it doesn't. So the crab is not an insect. The praying mantis, the grasshopper, and the ant are all insects. Question number 2, we're talking about beetles. There are 3 main parts to a beetle's body: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. The legs and wings of the beetle are attached to the thorax. The hard front wings of the beetle hide the back wings. The back wings are the wings used for flying. The legs of beetles help them to walk, run, swim, and dig. Beetles use their antennae to smell things and to feel things around them. Part A, determine. So when I say determine, you have to justify. You have to look at why. Are beetles insects or no? Look at the first 2 sentences in the paragraph. The beetle's body is divided into 3 parts: head, thorax, and abdomen, and the legs of the beetle are attached to the thorax. So this means that yes, beetles are insects. So beetles are insects. We have to justify since their bodies are divided into 3 parts: a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. Writing this is enough, but I will add the legs of the beetles are connected to their thorax. Okay? Let's label the body segments and parts of the beetle. We have terms. I think we will not need them. You know them. Let me start with the antenna. I'll fix this. Okay, so on the beetle's head, there is antennae two antennae. So this is an antenna. Okay, and then what about these two? These two are the legs of the beetle. Let's talk about the body parts of the beetle. Here is the head, the thorax, and the abdomen, which is the third part of the beetle's body. Head, thorax, and abdomen are the three sections of the beetle's body. The last part is the wing. Here is the wing of the beetle, easy to recognize. So again, look, here is the antenna on the beetle's head. Beetles have 6 legs, so these are 2 legs of the beetle. The beetle's body is divided into 3 parts: head, thorax, and abdomen, and here is the beetle's wing. What's the function of each of these beetle's body parts? The hard front wings. Look at the hard front wings. What did they tell us about the hard front wings? They hide the back wings, and the back wings are used for flying. Okay? So the beetle has 2 kinds of wings. It has hard front wings that hide the back wings, and the back wings are the ones used for flying. So I'll do this. The hard front wings hide the back wings, and the back wings are used to fly. What do beetles use their legs for? They use them to walk and to dig, to walk and to swim. Look at the paragraph. So in the paragraph, they said the legs of beetles help them to walk, run, swim, and dig. So the beetle's legs are used to walk and to swim. And the antenna helps the beetle to smell things and to hear things around the beetle. Okay. Question number 3. Question number 3, we have to compare a flea and a pigeon, which is a bird. What do these 2 animals share? How are they similar, and how are they different? A flea is an insect, the pigeon is a bird. Both are animals. Both the pigeon and the flea are living things. They are organisms. And both of them reproduce by laying eggs. So both are oviparous animals. Now, how do they differ? How are these 2 animals different? pigeons are birds, and as you know, birds are vertebrates, while on the second side, fleas are invertebrates. Okay, this way you have to compare the animals. Pigeons are vertebrates, fleas are invertebrates. Pigeons are warm-blooded, but fleas, since they are insects, they are cold-blooded. And we can add one more thing. Pigeons have 2 legs and 2 wings. But fleas, how many legs do fleas have? Since they are insects, have 6 legs. Okay, last question now. Use the chart below to distinguish between a worker ant and a drone. Ants are social insects. They live in communities, they live in colonies, they depend on each other. In an ant colony, there are 3 types of ants: a queen ant, a drone, and a worker, and these are the 3 types of ants. We have to compare a drone to a worker ant. The gender. Let's talk about the gender. Are drones males or females? A drone is a male ant, while the worker ant is a female ant. Okay, so this is a male, this is a female, do they have wings? Yes or no? The drone, yes, has wings, while the worker ant has 2 wings. What's the job of the drone? The drone has one function, which is to mate with a queen ant, and after mating with a queen, the drone will die. It doesn't have another job. This is the drone's function. This is the drone's job. Worker ants have the same job, so they care for the colony, to gather food, to care for the queen, the eggs, to defend the nest, to build the new rooms and enlarge the nest, the colony, and much more. Okay, so the worker ants are the ones that care for the colonies, and they do all the work, all what it's needed to keep the colony clean and healthy. The queen ant is a female ant, has wings, and after mating with a drone, and the queen ant's function is to lay eggs, and that's it. So again, if you still have any questions about the worksheet, please don't hesitate, send me your questions, and I will be glad to answer them. Bye bye.